welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jerodix TV. Alright, wow, it's been a long time guys that we are not doing any reaction video in this channel, but today we will continue to make another reaction video. So what are you waiting for guys? Let's start! So for today's video, we were going to react another Manipuri song that uploaded by Tantha. So this song with the title of Ngashi Hayeng. So this is a movie song release, and the title of this movie is SAMADON. So I don't have any idea what is or what kind of a movie this one. So let's watch it guys. So before we start our reaction, we were going to introduce first the cast here, the music, and what else? The choreographer. So the cast here, guys, are Daya Kesh. Kesh, is that the right term of the last name? Kesh or KSH? And the Nobi, Kangjam, and Ratana. Wow, another KSH. I think this is a Kesh. So just correct me if I'm wrong, guys. So the music are Glason Dam, the lyrics Ngan Bam Luwang, and choreographer here are Robert Mutum. Alright guys, so let's start our reaction to the video without further ado. Oh, by the way, before we start, for those new to my channel again guys, please don't forget to subscribe first to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button for you to be updated always on my reaction video like this. So let's start guys. Sounds good. SAMADON, that was the title of the movie. Wow. What a fabulous gown here. Red and white color. Very nice place. Where is this place? Wow! What a voice! Woo! Whoa! Oh, maybe this girl or these ladies here are... There are siblings? Daya Kesh and Ratala Kesh. What a nice song. Wow. Wow. Oh, very beautiful lady. Wow. Very sweet voice. This guy is the Nobi Kangjam, right? I like their dress. Oh, look at that place. She's a Manipuri guys, right? Very beautiful ladies in Manipur, huh? In Northeast India. These two ladies, this is my first time to watch this song. The Daya and Ratana. I guess these two ladies are siblings. Yeah. They're both beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. Oh, look at that face. They're like twins, guys. Oh, that's all. Wow, that's all, guys. Our song for today, our reaction video, Ngashi Hayeng. What's the meaning of Ngashi Hayeng? Oh, they're both beautiful, guys. Dayakesh and Ratana. Correct me, guys, if I'm wrong to pronounce their last name. Is this the last name of these two very beautiful ladies here? Daya and Ratana. What a nice song, guys. Very, very nice. And the sounds so amazing, guys. There's some part there that you can you know that one, guys. And what else? The place, guys. I know this place very. I'm not so familiar with this place, but some of the music that I react, guys, especially here in Manipur, I saw this I don't know what this mountain. It's a part of a mountain, guys, or I know here are very fresh. So some of the artists here are doing their making their song here. In some of the famous artists from Manipur, guys. This mountain, or I don't know, this area or this place, I mean to say is this is the favorite place that they are shooting their making this music video. So thank you so much again for the cast here, Daya Kes, the Nobi Kang Jam, and Ratana Kes, and also for the choreographer here, the producer here. I don't know who's the producer here. Yeah, RK Lakshamibay. Okay, right, and the director in Ocha Kondrakfam. Sorry, guys, if I don't know how to pronounce your your name or your last name. Another reaction video. We finished now, guys. Alright, so I just want to thank also for Tantha for always there to allowing me to react their some or mostly their music video, guys. Tantha is the most very active channel when it comes was this money for song. So guys, thank you so much for having me here until the end of this reaction video. Hoping that for the next reaction video you are also, or you're still there to watch my next reaction video. So see you on that day, guys. Alright, So, what else? Before we end this, guys, please, I just want to remind you, for those new to my channel, please help me to reach 6,000 subscribers. That was my my target now to achieve that one. So help me. So thank you so much, guys, and see you on my next reaction video. I love you all. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye.